To import your MetaMask wallet into Trust Wallet, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have both MetaMask and Trust Wallet installed on your device. Begin by opening MetaMask and navigating to the three-line menu, where you will select Account and then click on the three dots next to your account name. From the drop-down, select Account Details. In the Account Details section, you will see a button labeled Export Private Key. Click this button and enter your MetaMask password to verify the action. This will display your private key, which is a long sequence of characters that grants access to your wallet. Copy the private key and then open Trust Wallet. In Trust Wallet, navigate to the Settings menu and select Wallets. From the list of options, select the Import Wallet button. You will be presented with a choice of import methods, including private key. Select this option and paste the private key you copied from MetaMask into the field provided. Be sure to enter the correct private key, as this is sensitive information that can be used to access your funds. After pasting the private key, you will be prompted to create a new password for your imported wallet in Trust Wallet. Choose a strong and unique password to secure your wallet. Once you have entered a password and confirmed it, your MetaMask wallet will be imported into Trust Wallet. You can now view your balance and manage your assets within Trust Wallet. It is crucial to remember that your private key is extremely sensitive information, and you should never share it with anyone. If your private key is compromised, your funds could be at risk. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and the private key that comes with it. By following these steps, you can successfully import your MetaMask wallet into Trust Wallet, allowing you to manage your assets across multiple platforms.